What's going on, everybody? This is your boy Baba Tuesday. What we're going to review is a dude that has a particular fetish. He's in love with his car. It's called mechaphilia. You can be in love with a goddamn helicopter, car. You can be in love with the motorcycle. That goddamn motorcycle that was on Prince, Purple Rain, you know, when he was in that Lake Titicaca? Yeah, you can be in love with that goddamn motorcycle. You can be in love with a moped. You can both be in, I don't know about tricycle. That might be considered something else. You know, that's underage type shit. But nevertheless, we're about to jump into this shit. Let's get it going. And before we even start, I used to make love to a sock, but I upgraded, so I can't talk bad about this dude, Nathaniel, right?
And a serious relationship with my car?
He's in a serious relationship with his car. Committed relationship. Hold up. So that means you can't take an Uber because you cheating. But if you want a threesome or a foursome or a gangbang, you become the Uber driver. Ah, Nate.
Not just felt
I get it.
Nathaniel's obsession first developed as a teenager when he would build model cars.
I used to play Nintendo, but goddamn, God, I used to blow in the cartridges. Was I making love? Was I giving the cartridges a blowjob?
And just kind of
God damn. I knew something was happening. Come on, Zelda. Mario. Look at that. Objectphilia. Oh shit. You can be an objectphilia, mechaphilia, whatnot. Mechanics, robots and shit. And it's crazy because, you know, most guys when they see a car, they grab that shit and be like, God damn, that's a nice fucking ride. Not knowing that you can be fucking that car, right?
Can't Fight This Feeling by REO Speedwagon. I do get guess how you buy something for your fiance or your wife, and then.
And even when it's cold outside, I'll turn you on to make sure your battery is alive. And I just want to drive with the top down. But I can't fight this feeling anymore. When you let me slide when I open the door. No, you're not a whore. You let me fill you up with gas. Unleaded gas, you know I feel it pass. Halfway because that's where we meet. You let me beat my meat inside you anymore. You know, I love you. I love when you make me drive, when you make me come inside you, turn you on from the inside. You remind me of a Jeep. You a freak, you let me creep. At night when I'm inside you, you let me drive because you make me feel like a man. You take your car to the lookout areas and the officer, the windows are steaming, the officer, son, what are you doing? And you're just like making love to like goddamn, you're sitting on the gear shift.
Goes beyond dates and presents.
Sir, just wrap it up and then cop these. Oh shit.
Handsome man.
I bet you he's beating the brakes off that car. What's your safe word? Optimus Prime. Roll out. Beating the brakes off that shit. Oh, you want to be bad? Huh?
It's very special to make.
It's a fucking spare tire. Huh? Yeah, you like that? Huh? You like that? You little four-cylinder whore you are. I'm gonna wait till your windshield wiper fluid gets on low so I can get that word inside. That ding-ding sign. You like that? Oh, you bad fucking car, you? If you take your car to the auto shop or Walmart to get like an oil change or whatnot, are you getting jealous? Like, bro, hey, you taking too long filling my bitch up.
Life would be easier if he did change.
Leave the man alone. He's not bothering nobody. He's probably one of the safest drivers on the street. More people should be in love with their car. Shit. Oh, you want me to be a little risky? Let me speed a little bit while I unbuckle my seatbelt. You like that? That shit turns you on.
Could affect his career as a customer.
You listen. This day and age, you can be I was an Apache helicopter the other day. You could be anything you want to be. But anyways, that's the end of the video. You guys, thank you for watching. Listen, if you're into some crazy shit or whatnot, send me whatever, contact me, be on my podcast or whatnot. But listen, he's not the only one out here fucking cars and shit. Listen, man, I've heard of some crazier shit, but I'm your boy, Baller Tuesday. Thank you for watching this other review video. Peace, I'm out.